Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device compatibility and getting the first cable connection right. Plug the OTG adapter into your phone gently. Once done, connect the USB drive. Make sure the File Manager app is installed and open it immediately so the system can register the drive. When the permission dialog appears, grant full storage access. This lets the app read and write files. If you see a notification that a device was attached, tap it to jump into the File Manager and view the USB root. Once the drive is visible, you navigate to the folders you need and decide what to move or copy. Use long press to select multiple items, then choose Copy or Move. Choose the destination on internal storage or vice versa. If you plan large transfers, create a folder first so files land in order. Make sure to watch the progress indicator. Write operations must finish before unplugging. If the app supports queuing, add files to the queue to avoid interrupting background jobs and reduce corruption risk. To finish, unmount or safely eject the USB drive from within the File Manager or Android settings. This flushes caches and completes writes. After unmounting, remove the cable. You're done. If the drive isn't detected, try another OTG cable, test the drive on a PC, and check that the file system is supported by your phone. XFAT and FAT32 are common. Troubleshoot by reconnecting, rebooting the phone, or copying data to a computer and running standard disk repair tools to recover corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.